Namaskarams to one and all. This is Karthik Raju from Phoenix, Arizona, and
Namaste everyone, I am Devi Raghuraman from Phoenix, Arizona as well.
we are very happy to perform for iAsia News Music during this Diwali Children's Day weekend. Hope all of you had a very, very good festive time with family and friends, a safe one during these times. Today's concert will be a bouquet of multilingual melodies picked from album and movie songs, all of which have something special. And I'll give a brief insight into each of those specialities as we go along. As mentioned, it's a multilingual concert. We are going to try to cover 7 languages. Wish us luck. And we'll start with a song in dedication of somebody who is very, very dear to all of us, whom we have unfortunately lost in these times. None other than the legendary Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam. I would start with a Kannada song. The speciality of this song is this was composed by SPB G for the movie Muddina Mava, released in 1993. The lyrics are by Hamsalekha. And another speciality is we are also paying a tribute to the legendary Dr. Rajkumar because he co-sang this song with SPB Garu. And hope you will all like this song. It is also a festive song on Deepavali.
Very excited for this lineup. Thank you everyone.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಅಳಿಯ ಮಗನಾದನು ಓ ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಅಳಿಯ ಮಗನಾದನು ಓ ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು ಹೆತ್ತೋರ ಆಶಯ ಮನ್ನಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋರ ಹೆಣ್ಣನು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತ ಹಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬನಿ ಮುತ್ತಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಹೋ ಅಲಿಮಯ್ಯ ರಾಮನಿಗೂ ಮೇಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋನಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಕಾಲು ಚಂದನ ಮೆತ್ತಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಮನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಆರತಿ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಾಳು ಬನವಾಯಿತು ഇരുളു ಬೆಳಕಾಯಿತು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಅಳಿಯ ಮಗನಾದನು ಓ ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು ಅಪ್ಪಯ್ಯ ನಾನಿನ್ನ ಋಣದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಹೂವ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕುವೆನು ಮಾಲೆ ನೆನಕೆ ಹರಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು 100 ಕಾಲ ಬಾಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ದೀಪ ಗಂಧದ ಧೂಪ ಮನೆ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ದೇವರ ರೂಪ ಬಾಳು ಬನವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಓಯೋಯೋಯೋಯ್ ഇരുಳು ಬೆಳಕಾಯಿತು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಅಳಿಯ ಮಗನಾದ ಓ ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು ತಾನ ತಂದನ ತಂದನ ತಾನ ತಾನ ತಂದನ ತಾನ ತಂದನ ತಂದನ ತಾನ ತಾನ ತಂದನ The next language we're taking up now, after Kannada, is Hindi. I will be singing another tributary song combining two legends, one of whom is evergreen. I mean, both of them are immortal, but musically evergreen. Panchamda, R.D. Burman, his composition for, again, a star whom we lost this year, Rishi Kapoor ji. So this is a combination of R.D. Burman and Rishi Kapoor. The movie name is Bada Dilwala, released in 1983. Though originally the song is a duet, I'm performing this as a solo here because it's one of my personal favorites and hope you will all enjoy this song. It's a very, very, very haunting melody of Barmanda. कहीं न जा आज कहीं मत जा फिर मिले ना मिले ये पल ये समा बाहों में आ जा कहीं न जा
जब दिल हुआ तेरा दीवाना, ठोकर में है सारा जमाना, मेरा क्या करेगा ये जहां। जाने वफा सच है किसको पता, फिर मिले ना मिले ये पल ये समा, बाहों में आ जा, कहीं न जा आज कहीं मत जा, फिर मिले ना मिले ये पल ये समा, बाहों में आ जा, बाहों में आ जा, बाहों में आ जा।
Amazing start, Karthik. We are next moving on to a Tamil song, a super duper hit from superstar Rajinikanth's movie Baksha, music director Deva, sung by KG Jesdas and Chitra.
And lyrics by Kaviyarasu Vairamuthu.
அருகில் வந்தார், ரெண்டு புறம் பற்றி எரியும் மெழுகாக மங்கை உருகி நின்றார். தங்கமகன் இங்கு சிங்க நடை போட்டு அருகில் அருகில் வந்தான். ரெண்டு புறம் பற்றி எரியும் மெழுகாக மங்கை உருகி நின்றாள். கட்டும் ஆடை உன் காதலன் கண்டதும் நழுவியதோ வெட்கத்தாழ்வாள் அருவேந்தனை கண்டதும் விலகியதோ. முத்தம் என்பதன் அர்த்தம் பழகிடவா என் வாழ்வேவா.
தங்கமகன் இன்று சிங்கநடை போட்டு அருகில் அருகில் வந்தான். ரெண்டு புறம் பற்றி எரியும் மெழுகாக மங்கை உருகி நின்றாள்.
Following that composition of superstar Rajnikant, we now go on a retro. The next language after Tamil that we take up here is Bengali. When you think of West Bengal, the prolific composer who comes to our mind is Salil Da. So Salil Chowdhury hails from Bengal, West Bengal, and he has given us a treasure trove of wonderful melodies, not just to be enjoyed by West Bengal, but through the entire nation. Some of whom have been readapted, and he himself has retuned some of those songs in Hindi, also in Malayalam. To be very, that's a very surprising aspect. Is he's such a celebrated composer in Malayalam as well. So he typically takes a tune and changes the shade according to the situation in the movie, but he can paint a different color altogether from the same tune across the languages. I'm going to be presenting today a tribute to Salil Da, which is an album song basically. This is also written by him, and you might have heard this tune in a Hindi movie. I'm going to wait until the end to give the name of that movie, but here we go.
আমি চলতে চলতে থেমে গেছি, আমি বলতে বলতে ভুলে গেছি যে কথা তোমাকে বলবো। আমি চলতে চলতে থেমে গেছি, আমি বলতে বলতে ভুলে গেছি যে কথা তোমাকে বলবো। আমি সপ্ত সিন্ধু পার হয়ে দশ পরে বাঁধা পড়ে গেছি, বলো না কি করে চলবো। জানি না, জানি না, জানি না, জানি না, কতদিন কখন এমন লগন সে আসবে। দু চোখ ভরে শুধু কাঁদবো আর ভুলে যাব মুক্ত সোনা। আমি পান্ত পান্ত শুধু রেলি, আমি ক্লান্ত ক্লান্ত হয়ে গেছি, এ ব্যথা কাহারে বলবো। আমি চলতে চলতে থেমে গেছি, আমি বলতে বলতে ভুলে গেছি যে কথা তোমাকে বলবো। ভাবনা আমি রিক্ত রিক্ত হয়ে গেছি আমি মুক্ত হতে যে চেয়েছি এবং কি করে খুলবো আমি চলতে চলতে থেমে গেছি আমি বলতে বলতে ভুলে গেছি যে কথা তোমাকে বলবো আমি শব্দ সিন্ধু পার হয়ে গসপদের মাথা পড়ে গেছি বলো না কি করে চলবো
Hope you all enjoyed that Salil Da masterpiece. The song, in case you have already guessed, just for the audience, is adapted into a hit movie called Rajnigandha.
कई बार यूं ही देखा है
by the great legendary Mukesh Da. The next language we embark on is Malayalam. So we are traveling down south now. This is a very special song to many of us who grew up in India, in the 80s. The speciality of this song can be listed in 2-3 different facets. One is it was India's first 3D movie that was taken, My Dear Kutti Chatan, by Navodaya Combines, and it was a national pathbreaker, so to say, at that time. And I remember the state governments had relaxed the tariffs, so there was no entertainment tax. Everybody could go watch the movie tax-free. And second thing is the genius music of Maestro Dr. Ilayaraja. And the third is it's exclusively for children's. So this is a Children's Day special for all of you. I love singing this song. It is one of my most favorite songs. Very general lyrics. Anybody can sing it. You all will enjoy this song along with me.
ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കുട നിവർത്തി ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കുട നിവർത്തി പൂങ്കുരുവി പൂവാങ്കുരുവി പൊന്നോലഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഈ വഴി വാ ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കുട നിവർത്തി ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കുട നിവർത്തി പൂങ്കുരുവി പൂവാങ്കുരുവി പൊന്നോലഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഈ വഴി വാ ചെല്ലക്കുഴന്തൈകളെ തുള്ളും വസന്തങ്ങളെ
sang just one line in Tamil for those Tamil audience that are hearing this song. It's an evergreen, fun hit children's song. So this is my tribute to all the lovely kids out there. After Malayalam, we now embark on a Telugu song. Again, one classic song from the recent times, I should say, tuned by K.M. Radhakrishnan ji, written by Veturi Garu for a Shekhar Kamula movie, Godavari. Again, rendered fantabulously by none other than our beloved late Shri S.P.B. Garu. Again, in memoriam of him, I would like to present this song. The lyrical beauty of the song can be felt in each and every line. Veturi Garu, K.M. Radhakrishnan ji and SPB, terrific combination. It's an evergreen masterpiece, I should say, in the recent times.
शिखरे निगमझरे स्वरलहरे
శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ఏసే చాపదోసే రామబా సావాసాలు సంసారాలు చిలిపి చిలక జోస్యం వేసే అట్లు వేయంగానే లాభసాటి వేరం ఇల్లే ఓడలైపోతున్న ఇంటి పనుల దృశ్యం ఆరేసేటి అందాలన్నీ అడిగే నీటి అద్దం ఏం తగ్గింది మారామయ్య భోగం ఇక్కడ నడి ఊరేగింపులో పడవ మీద రాగా ప్రభువు తారకాగా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి గోదారమ్మ కుంకంబొట్టు దిద్ది మిరప ఎరుపు లంకానాథుడింకా ఆగనంటూ పళ్ళు కొరుకు చూసే చూపు ఏం చెప్పింది సీతాకాంతకి సందేహాల మబ్బే పట్టి చూసే కంటికి లోకం కాని లోకంలోన ఏకాంతాల వరకు తల పాపి కొండల నలుపు కడగలేక నవ్వు తనకురా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి గోదారిలో నీలాంబరి మాసీమకే జీనాంబరి వెతలు తీర్చు మా దేవేరి వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ऐसे चाप ढोर से राव भार से वालुगा चुक्काने चूपुगा ब्रतुकु तेरुवु एनुहीचेगा उप्पोंगिले गोदावरी ऊगिंदिले చేలోవరి పూరారిలో నీలాంబరి ఆసీమకే చీనాంబరి
So far, we have covered 6 languages. Now, on to the 7th language. My first time in this beautiful language, Marathi. This is a popular song on the internet. I think it was released in the middle of this decade, 2015-2016 time frame. This has been set to tune by Vishwajit Joshi and rendered so beautifully, and you'll enjoy this composition. It's a modern orchestrated composition. Hope you'll all like this. And it's my first time with this beautiful language again, so pardon me if there are any mispronunciations. I'm trying my best to adhere to the diction. Thank you.
something सारे जग बाटे happening हस्तो सदा मी आता dreaming हृदयात वाजे something सारे जग बाटे happening हस्तो सदा मी आता dreaming हो हस्तो गाच smiling भगता तुला मन jumping वाटे हवे गोड feeling हस्तो गाच smiling भगता तुला मन jumping वाटे हवे गोड feeling धुंद धुंद क्षण सारे हल्के हल्के फुलणारे फिरुनी ओठावरती तुझेच गाणे धुंद धुंद क्षण सारे हल्के हल्के फुलणारे फिरुनी ओठावरती तुझेच गाणे कलता तुला मी संपतो रोको कशी तगमगता हिंदोजची विसरतो आता मला क्षणी हृदयात वाजे समथिंग सारे जग वाटे हॅपनिंग असतो सदा मी आता ड्रीमिंग हृदयात वाजे समथिंग सारे जग वाटे हॅपनिंग असतो सदा मी आता ड्रीमिंग माझ्या तुम्ही जपले तुला सांगायचे जमले जना मला कधी चाहुल तुझी नुसती पुरे भिरभिरुडे मन हे तुझाच भोवती उलगडून हे पसारे गोड गोड आठवाचे हरवुनी तुझ्यात मन राही बांध तोडुनी हे सारे विसरुनी तुझात जावे वाटते आता कयापरी हृदयात वाजे समथिंग सारे जग वाटे हॅपनिंग असतो सदा मी आता ड्रीमिंग हृदयात वाजे समथिंग सारे जग वाटे हॅपनिंग असतो सदा मी आता ड्रीमिंग
Thank you all. Following this language, we are coming back to Tamil now. And you must all be wondering, where is Devi Raguraman and why hasn't she sung yet? So here she comes with a fabulous melody of Maestro Dr. Ilayaraja in a solo performance. Get ready to be drenched in this rain shower here. Thank you.
So this song is from the famous movie Punnagai Mannan, Kamal Haasan movie. It's a female solo sung by K.S. Chitraji. Thanks, everyone. Before we move on to the next song, we would like to acknowledge our Sarsangam founders and members, our partners in UAE, Hima Bindu, Murli Menon, and Nandini Nair. Thank you so much for being here and supporting us.
That was Rain Shower Indeed in Maestro Dr. Ilayaraja's music. Thank you, Devi, for such a wonderful evergreen song. On to a new age Kannada song now. This is from Rakshit Shetty, one of the younger film stars in Sandalwood. His movie Simpla Gonda Love Story. Music by Bharat J and lyrics by Sidhu Kodipura, sung by our favorite Sonu Nigam. Let's listen to the song.
ಪಾಡ
Hope you all enjoyed that song. It's a very nice modern song from Sonu Nigam. Now we are going to get ready for some fun song. Devi is joining me in this song. It's a Malayalam song, but though it is Malayalam, I'm sure all of you would have heard and tapped your foot to this song. It was such a trendsetter song. It was from the movie Bangalore Days. So again, there's a linguistic connection there. Music by Gopi Sundar. It's a sparkler, a firecracker, you can say. Yeah.
പച്ചക്കിളി കൊരുക്കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി മഴയുള്ള കൂട് പച്ചക്കിളി കൊരുക്കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി മഴയുള്ള കൂട് കണ്ണാടും കെട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ അത് നിന്നെ കൂട്ടാടാണല്ലോ തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാനേന പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാനേന തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാനേന പിന്നെ കഥമാറും ചേകവനാകും ഉറുമിയെടുക്കും കടവീരൻ പിന്നോദിന ഘടകം എരിപൊളിയങ്കം കേട്ടോ നീ കൂട്ടിൽ പെട്ടാൽ പിന്നെ നീലാകാശം കണ്ടോ നിന്നെന്നാരോ ചൊല്ലുന്നേ മിടുക്കിയെ മെരുക്കിതായി കുറുക്കിടക്കി കുറുമ്പുതൊക്കി തടങ്ങളിൽ തടച്ചു കാണാൻ മനസ്സിലും ഒരു കൊതിയുണ്ടല്ലോ തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം പിന്നെ ജീവിതം പച്ചക്കിളി കൊരുക്കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി മഴയുള്ള കൂട് പച്ചക്കിളി കൊരുക്കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി മഴയുള്ള കൂട് കണ്ണാടും കെട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ
From that fast paced foot tapping number, we're going to go into a ghazal mode here, an evergreen classic from my favorite, our favorite, everyone's favorite, A.R. Rahman, for the movie Guru, released in 2007. Lyrics by Javed Akhtarji, rendered by Hariharan and Alka Yagnik. Hope you will all enjoy this ghazal with us. The speciality here is we are going to show the confluence of two different languages. Hope you like that.
पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगावत है हैरते आशिकी जगावत पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगावत है हैरते आशिकी है हैरते आशिकी
Hope you all enjoyed this melody. Moving along, we'll be presenting a classic melody from Tamil, composed by Vidyasagar ji, sung by again the legendary late SPB ji and S. Janaki Garu. Hope you will all like this song. I mean, it's an evergreen melody. Everybody would have heard this in one form or the other. It was remade or dubbed into multiple languages. And let's get going here with some Darbari Kannada for all of you. Incidentally, this is a request from Vidyasagar ji from iAsia News Music. So we have another Sangam here, requested by Vidyasagar ji and composed by music director Vidyasagar ji. we come back to a classic composition again in the language Kannada from the movie Pallavi Anupallavi. Again, why is this a memorable selection? One, of course, music by Maestro Dr. Ilayaraja in Kannada. The first movie directed by the great Maniratnam with Anil Kapoor as the hero, released in 1983, and again made evergreen immortal by SPB and Janaki Garu.
La la la, la la la, na na na, na na na. Na na na, la la la, la la.
La la la, la la la, la. ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತೆಗೆ
ಹೊಸ ಭಾಷೆಯಿದು, ರಸಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು, ಇದ ಹಾಡಲು ಕವಿ ಬೇಕೆ. ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ
ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತೆಗೆ. ನಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವೆ ಕಥೆ ನೂರನು, ನಾನಿಂದು ನಗಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನು.
ಇರುಳನ್ನು ಕಾಣುವೆ ಬಿರುಳನೆಯದು, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚತ್ತ ಹೊಂಗನಸನು.
ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆವೆ ನಾಮಳೆಯರು, ಬಿಡದಂತ ಹಿಡಿವೆ ಈ ಕೈಯನು.
ಗೆಳೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಬರುವೆ, ಬಾನಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಟಿ ನಲಿವೆ.
ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತೆಗೆ.
ಈ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಾಡು ಬಿಸು ಮಾತಲಿ, ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಇನಿದಾದ ಸವಿರಾಗವ.
ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ, ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಹೊಸ ಲೋಕವ.
ಈ ಸ್ನೇಹ ತಂದಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಂದೆಂದು ಅಲಿಸದ ರಂಗೋಲಿ.
ಆಸೆ ಹೂವ ಹಾಸಿ ಕಾರೆ, ನಡೆ ನೀ ಕನಸ ಹೊಸಕಿ ಬಿಡಲೆ.
ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಹಿರೆ ಮಾತೆಗೆ.
ಹೊಸ ಭಾಷೆಯಿದು, ರಸ ಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು, ಇರಾಡಲು ಕವಿ ಬೇಕೆ.
ಲಲಲ 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 ಲಲಲ
this is one of the favorite songs we loved rehearsing for this program.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for everyone watching live and providing us with wonderful feedback.
The next language we go to is Telugu. Actually, a bilingual, Telugu and Tamil. So we are in the conference phase again. Another wonderful composition of Maestro Ilayaraja, evergreen classic. Without further ado, I shall start the song.
అదే నీవు అదే నేను అదే గీతం పాడనా అదే నీవు అదే నేను అదే గీతం పాడనా కథైనా కలైనా కనులలో చూడనా అదే నీవు అదే నేను అదే గీతం పాడనా అదే నీవు అదే నేను అదే గీతం పాడనా కొండ కోన గుండెల్లో ఎండావానలైనాము కొండ కోన గుండెల్లో ఎండావానలైనాము గువ్వా గువ్వ కౌగిలిలో గూడు చేసుకున్నాము అదే స్నేహము అదే మోహము అదే స్నేహము అదే మోహము ఆది అంతం ఏది లేని గానము అదే నీవు అదే నేను అదే గీతం పాడనా కథైనా కలైనా కనులలో చూడనా சாயங்கால மேகங்கள் மேரி மூட மோகங்கள் சாயங்கால மேகங்கள் மேரி மூட மோகங்கள் மணி சாயும் போது சொந்தங்கள் தோளில் தானே சொர்க்கங்கள் இடைக்காவலின் தடை மீறவா இடைக்காவலின் தடை மீறவா இன்னும் என்ன கண்ணி போர்வை தேவதை ராகம் ஒரே தாளம் ஒரே பாடல் பாடவா ஒரே ராகம் ஒரே தாளம் ஒரே பாடல் பாடவா வரம் நீ தரும் நாள் மடியிலே தூங்கவா ஒரே ராகம் ஒரே தாளம் ஒரே பாடல் பாடவா.
The next song we are presenting here is a duet. It's a popular Kamala Hassan song. We're going to go straight into the song so you enjoy.
வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்கிற குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது
சில நேரம் சிறு சிறு சிலையென சிறுவிரல் படபட துடிக்குது எங்கும் வேகம் கூசுது
சின்ன பெண் பெண்ணல்ல வண்ண பூந்தோட்டம்
தொட்டட்டும் மேளந்தான் என்ற காதல் தேரோட்டம்
வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்கிற குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது
சில நேரம் சிலு சிலு சிலையென சிறுவிரல் படபட துடிக்குது எங்கும் வேகம் கூசுது
ஒரு காதல் கடிதம் விழி போடும் உன்னை காணும் சபலம் வரக்கூடும்
நீ பார்க்கும் பார்வைகள் பூவாகும் நெஞ்சுக்குள் தைக்கின்ற முள்ளாகும்
கண்ணே என் கண்பட்ட காயம் கை வைக்க தானாக ஆறும்
முன்னாலும் பின்னாலும் தள்ளாடும் செம்பேனி என் மேனி உன் தோளில் ஆடும் நாள்
வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்கிற குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது
சில நேரம் சிலு சிலு சிலையென சிறுவிரல் படபட துடிக்குது எங்கும் வேகம் கூசுது
சின்ன பெண் பெண்ணல்ல வண்ண பூந்தோட்டம்
கொட்டட்டும் மேளந்தான் என்ற காதல் தேரோட்டம்
வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்கிற குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது
லா 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 லா
தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது.
சில நேரம் சிலு 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 என சிறுவிரல் படபட துடிக்குது, எங்கும் வேகம் கூசுது.
சின்ன பெண் பெண்ணல்ல வண்ண பூந்தோட்டம்,
கொட்டட்டும் மேளந்தான் என்ற காதல் தேரோட்டம்.
வடையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்கிறது, குடு குடு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது.
சில நேரம் சிலு 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 என சிறுவிரல் படபட துடிக்குது, எங்கும் வேகம் கூசுது.
All right, from all those melodies now, I'm going to change the mood here a little bit. We're going to do a Bollywood rocking number. It's from the movie Dawn, of course, the new Dawn, 2006. Music by Shankar Ehsaan and Loy. And it's one of my favorites. Though it's a duet again, you can hear Sonu Nigam, performing this live in multiple of the YouTube videos. Sometimes it's very funny, he even sings in the female voice, but none of that is going to be attempted here. But nevertheless, this is a rocking number for all of you. And wherever you are, please do tap your feet, shake a leg and show all your moves. So here we go.
दीवानों को अब तक नहीं है ये पता, आज की रात होना है क्या, पाना है क्या, होना है क्या, आज की रात होना है क्या, पाना है क्या, होना है क्या। देखो मैं हूँ यहाँ, ओ दीवानों को अब तक नहीं है ये पता, आज की रात खोना है क्या, पाना है क्या, होना है क्या, आज की रात होना है क्या, पाना है क्या, होना है क्या।
Thank you so much, Karthik. That was a wonderful rendition. We would like to extend our vote of thanks to iAsia News music team members. Without your love and support, this event would not have been possible. Dr. Krishna, head of iAsia News, Vidya Sagar, coordinator who manages iAsia News music, Akhilesh Vashikar, tech support, Jayant, flyer design, Anantita, social media support, Mohan Kabur, Anu Benakatti and Vinuta, integral team members. Thank you all again for all your support. Please like and share and follow iAsia News Music on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter, and extend your support to the wonderful encouragement and support they are doing for all the artists around the world. Thank you. Also, one more member, Shika from UAE team. Thank you for being here and supporting us.
Thank you. I join Devi in thanking each and every one of whose name was read out. iAsia News Music has been doing such a good service during this pandemic that all the artists have forgotten what's going on in the world, and all we try to do here is to spread positivity through music as much as we can. So once again, thank you iAsia News Music team for giving us an opportunity and making us learn the nuances of live stream. Without all your support and love, we wouldn't be performing here. Thank you. As a concluder today, I would like to present a memorable melody of A.R. Rahman for all of you. This song is also one of the requests that came in, and it makes it special and coincident with the great legendary singer Srimati Sushila Garu's birthday, which was celebrated just 2 days ago. She turned 85, so in loving regards for the Nightingale and unparalleled, melody queen of South India, I would like to present a male version of a song that she sang for A.R. Rahman. I will also be presenting this song in half Tamil and half Telugu. The Telugu portion was sung by S.P.B. Garu, Tamil by Unni Menon, but I want to conclude it with an S.P.B. portion in his memory. So once again, thank you all, those who have taken the time to join us here online today and in making this event a grand success for all of us.
மையழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய்யழகு கன்னத்தில் குழியழகு கார்கூந்தல் பெண்ணழகு கண்ணுக்கு மையழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய்யழகு கன்னத்தில் குழியழகு கார்கூந்தல் பெண்ணழகு கண்ணுக்கு மையழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய்யழகு கன்னத்தில் குழியழகு கார்கூந்தல் பெண்ணழகு நடையழகு முதுமைக்கு நரையழகு கள்வர்க்கு இரவழகு காதலர்க்கு நிலவழகு நிலவுக்கு கரையழகு பறவைக்கு சிறகழகு நிலவுக்கு கரையழகு பறவைக்கு சிறகழகு ஔவைக்கு கூனழகு அன்னைக்கு சேயழகு கண்ணுக்கு மையழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய்யழகு கன்னத்தில் குழியழகு கார்கூந்தல் பெண்ணழகு కన్నులకు చూపందం కవితలకు ఊహందం చిరునవ్వు చెలికందం సిరిమల్లి సిగకందం వెలువందం రేయంత అతివందం వేసవికి వెన్నెలందం ఆశలకు అలపందం తలపులే మరికందం వయసుకే ప్రేమందం తలపులే మరికందం వయసుకే ప్రేమందం పాటకే తెలుగందం శ్రీమతికి నేనందం కన్నులకు చూపందం కవితలకు ఊహందం చిరునవ్వు చెలికందం సిరిమల్లి సిగకందం కన్నులకు చూపందం కవితలకు ఊహందం చిరునవ్వు చెలికందం సిరిమల్లి సిగకందం కన్నులకు చూపందం కవితలకు ఊహందం చిరునవ్వు చెలికందం సిరిమల్లి సిగకందం
What a beautiful composition and wonderfully sung by Karthik.
Thank you, Devi. It's such a pleasure and honor for all of us here to be together on this festive occasion, and thank you one and all again for your time. And the 7 languages has been a journey for me personally. I used to be able to sing up until Bengali. Marathi was a new inclusion, and I just got introduced to some wonderful Marathi melodies last year, and I hope to increase my repertoire on that.
We have one request from the audience. I don't have the track right now, but I'll try my best to sing few lines for you. It's a Tamil song. Here it goes. Snehidane, snehidane, rahasya snehidane, chinna chinnadai கோரிக்கைகள் செவி ರಹಸ್ಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನೇ. Thank you so much for all your love and support.
Thank you, Devi, for partnering with me. We go back a long way together, a decade over. Let's not go into the exact number of years, but singing keeps us all together, and it's a wonderful, wonderful evening here after Diwali, and we hope to see you all once again in a future program. Like Devi said, please subscribe, like, and share iAsia News Music's channel page on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and support the crew in their efforts to bring out talents all over the world. Thank you once again, and have a good rest of the day, rest of the night, rest of the evening, wherever you are. Stay safe, stay positive, and COVID negative.